The things you're going to see over the weekend, nobody has a clue. Whatever expectation you came here with, this will be much, much bigger and much, much wilder. You see technology here today that you didn't even know existed.
Since I started building my presentation, I had to change this slide every day because we keep breaking record after record after record. There's just too many features to name on the type of progress that we have built over the past 6 months, and what's coming from Doobly 2.0 is just gonna be amazing.
Mobile isn't simply looking at the information on the phone. Mobile is how do we capture the dynamics of the personal device in a real place for Doobly's advantage.
Our goal is to partner with thousands of companies all over the world.
I've been with Doobly now heading into my 5th year and been at almost every event the company has done. And to see where we're at today from where we started a little over 4.5 years ago is nothing short of miraculous.
See, I really believe, and I know Michael does as well, and most people in business, that leadership is everything. And I think the world right now is devoid of leadership. You know, managers manage things, leaders lead people.
Let's break all the records and let's show the world who we are now. The time is now here, and we will get a lot of attention next year, believe me. Much more than we can imagine.
Virtual World has a huge source of contacts. There's in fact no limits. I heard there's still almost 1 million new users every single day stepping into the internet very first time.
How do you motivate yourself always? And sometimes I just call a few leaders of mine because I know they are always very positive. And if I'm not so motivated, I call them and say, "Hi, how are you today?" "Wow, amazing, I sponsored 3 people." And after 5 minutes, I'm motivated by myself.
From now on, books, programs will be written about Doobly. And one picture will always be there, and this picture that's been taken now here, because this is a milestone in the history of our company. So please, take a lot of pictures. You were here. Thank you all.
Welcome to Doobly in Dubai.